So I like to browse YouTube and watch, random videos, as I'm sure all of you do. Um, some things that get annoying is watching, videos that, the whole purpose is right at the end, but you got to watch through like random stuff just to get there, and you just know that your time is being wasted. With that said, the makers of this content, I recommend going to see and watching, even if you do want to watch mine as well. Um, it's basically about zooming in on Google Maps and finding really cool things that exist that you might not have seen. With that said, let me get into it. My hair needs to be cut so badly. All right, so check out this guy's videos. I find them pretty cool. Only one issue: it takes so much time to get through the, you know. But let's take a look. Pretty. That's a cool video. What is that? Yeah, this is a pretty cool video. But yeah, it takes so much time to what actually is this, right? It's nuts. But all right, so without further ado, here's the sped up version.
Do you remember this movie scene? I found it on Google Earth. Remember this?
Thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Evil, thieves and beggars,